This is Kathy and Denise. Say hey.
Hey.
What do you want for Christmas, Denise? A tablet?
Yeah.
And what else?
Papa.
Some phones. And what else?
Computer.
And what else?
Another computer.
Another computer.
Yeah.
And what else?
Hopper.
Some phones.
No, I can hopper.
Elbows.
Yeah.
And what else? Get your thumb out your mouth.
Eyes.
You want the eyes?
Yeah.
And what else?
I want long eyes.
Have you been a good girl this year?
Yeah.
You been a real good girl this year? Say, okay, talk to y'all later.
Talk to you later.
Okay, and what's today's date?
10 minutes.
How old are you?
2.
Okay, you're 2 years old. Okay, say bye, peace.
Bye, peace.